So there's a better way of installing Claude Code's leaked harness now, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. Particularly, I say better in the sense that in this variation, we're able to use as many models as we please. Whatever model that we want to use, we are able to use now. Unlike the previous variation that I made where you are only restricted to using Claude's Anthropic models. So let's just jump into it. Yeah. So first thing you do is you head on to this GitHub repository over here. I'll have a link in the description below, so don't worry. And you come here, you simply download it as a zip file, right? So we're going to be utilizing a couple of things over here. So you need to have them installed. The first of them all is Node.js. So you can just head on to the official Node website if you don't already have it installed. Now I am on Windows, so you are seeing this over here as such. You could simply just click this button and follow the installation process. As well, you need to have Bun installed. So you select your operating system according to what you're using and you have it installed as well. So once you have these two installed completely out of the way, what you're going to do next is simply unzip the downloaded zip file, right? So you unzip it into wherever you want. I'm going to do it onto the desktop. I've actually done it already. So you do so and then you simply just open with VS Code, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dock this onto the left so we can have this on the right and then follow along, right? So since we're going to be running a couple of things, and if this is your first time installing Node.js, you may need to customize your execution policy. So you look up PowerShell and then you run as administrator, as I am doing over here. So once you run it as administrator, just simply type get execution policy to check whether or not sorry, I misspelled that execution policy as such, and mine is showing remote signed, which is to say I am allowed to run commands like npm install and whatnot. So if you're not seeing remote signed and you're seeing restricted or any other thing, what you can do is simply just type set execution policy, then type remote signed. Then you select Y for yes over here, and then simply type enter. So Y and enter. Now that sets me show you that sets our execution policy to remote signed. So once you have that out of the way, you can close it and then we can continue on from there. So the first thing you can do, actually you can chain these commands together. So npm install, npm run build, as well npm link. So what this does is it completely scaffolds it completely scaffolds npm. Hold on a minute. It's not that big of an issue. So what this does is it allows us to have node modules along with package.json so we can use it as well. So we saw a couple of vulnerabilities in here. You can simply run npm audit fix over here. It's going to fix it, but I'm going to ignore it for the time being. Now, this is a dangerous move to make, so you will have to pay attention to this, but I'm going to ignore it for the time being. So next thing you do is you head on to OpenRouter, as that is what is going to enable us to use whatever model that we want to use according to how we want it. So you come on here, first thing you create an API key, you just name this Claude and set the expiration to 1 hour. So you create and then you copy API key and then you can close it. Right. So open Notepad again. Now I need to update this API key for the new one we just created. As well, we need to update the model. So I think one is okay. So the way you set a model is you come to this model tab and then you choose whatever model that you want to use. So I like to use Quen for this tutorial. So you just paste it in here as such. Right. So once you have that done, you can copy these commands together, Control C, back to the terminal, and paste it in here as such, then enter. Now, the final thing you do is copy this function. What it allows us to do is we are able to run OpenClaude wherever that we want. So you type it, you click enter, and then here you type OpenClaude and enter. It should quickly spin up OpenClaude, and if we see the interface, it means everything is completely set up just as you are seeing. And as you can verify for yourself, the model that we selected is what is shown over here. So when you see this, that is basically everything that you had done up until this point. So let me just test it out. So create a simple web page with no CSS that says hi. So as you're seeing, it's working just as the code harness. Let's just wait for it to finish. You want to create? Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. So let's just go live. Okay, so as you're seeing, this is what we have been able to accomplish with our brand new Claude Codes big harness that we have been able to install using OpenRouter as our model specifier. So if you enjoy this and are interested in similar content such as this, give us a like, subscribe, see you in the next one. Cheers.